Welcome. If you're looking to add a new phone number to your Instagram account in 2025, you're in the right place. Keeping your contact details up to date is essential for account security, recovery, and making sure you never miss important notifications. Let's walk through the latest steps to add your new number on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, look for the three lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This is the menu button. Tap on it to open up the menu. From here, select Accounts Center. This is where you'll find all your connected Meta accounts and manage your personal details. Inside Accounts Center, tap on Password and Security, then go to Personal Details. Now choose Contact Info. This section shows all the contact information linked to your account. To add your new number, tap on Add New Contact, and then select Add Mobile Number. You'll see a prompt to enter your new phone number. Type it in carefully, then tap Next to continue. Instagram will send a confirmation code to the number you just entered. Check your messages, find the code, and enter it back into the app to verify your new number. That's it. Your new phone number is now linked to your Instagram account. This update helps keep your account secure and makes it easier to recover your account if you ever lose access. If you ever need to update your number again, just repeat these steps. And remember, keeping your contact info current is one of the best ways to protect your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep your account details up to date for the best security and peace of mind.